I need a coffee, a clean pair of pants, and your motorcycle.
Take it.
And you want me in your top, dog? Get out of the way, human! I'm a dick. Yeah, takes the Christmas back from the garden. Ever tasted much salami? I'm Italian.
You're not Italian anymore. Can't just go around peeing on lemon trees, okay?
Why?
What do you mean why? 'Cause you can't.
Why?
You just can't, okay? Trust me on this.
Why? Come with me if you want to have una bella piatti pasta asciutta.
It's okay, Mom. He's just a day-go walk.
In 2019, they make a third Terminator movie called Terminator Dark Fate. It's a huge commercial flop, losing $200 million from USA to Russia, to China, back to Russia.
They're friends now?
Yeah, we used to be friends, Joe and Connie, but the only advice I got for you is maybe you should take us some funeral coverage, just in case something happened to you, which it does. And unfortunately for you, Sarah, you come back in that one.
Jesus.
Miles, you've been shot up real bad. You're gonna be justified. Just breathe, Miles, breathe. I'll get some chicken feet and some onion. You'll be justified. Just wait here, alright?
When he comes up to you with attitude, say Vaffanculo Stronzo.
Vaffanculo Stronzo.
Or later, Destinacazzo.
And if someone gets upset, you say chill out. Or you can do combination.
Chill out, testi cazzo.
That's great, see, you're getting it.
Vaffanculo Stronzo. Minchia, I forgot to be a Miles. You should be okay.
Are you the legal guardian of John Connor?
Get the fuck out of here.